violists. In this video, I'm going to go over how to play number 97 in our Essential Elements book, Walking Song. Now, you should have already had a little bit of an introduction to G-string notes in my G-string notes introduction video. For this song, we're going to be focused on just our G-string notes. So we are going to be using our open G, our first finger A, our second finger B, and our third finger C. Now, on our music staff, our G-string notes, just to review, are all below, on that middle line, or below. So you can see on my G major scale right up here, our G-string notes, we have our bottom space from good burritos don't fall apart. There's our G. A is our second line, first finger. B, second space, burritos. And then C is our middle line. And just to review, alto clef is also called C clef because it centers around that middle line, which is the note C. And in later songs on this page, we'll be adding in a fourth finger D. And that song is blue on my board here because we can either play it with our fourth finger on the G string or we can play it with an open D string. So two places to play that note. But we don't need that today. We just need these 4 right here. Okay, so looking at Walking Song, let's take a look at our first note. Our first note in our first measure, middle line. C, right? Fat alley cats eat grass, or we just know it's C, middle line. So in our first measure, we have 2 C's. They're each worth 2 beats, half notes. C, C. Next measure, we're heading down. Lifting off a finger, B, B, B. Next measure, lifting off a finger, heading down, A, first finger, A, and then we land on a G, G, followed by a half note rest, worth 2 beats. Now, after that rest, we're just gonna head on up. So we start in that bottom space, and we have 2 G's. And then the next measure, we head on up, first finger, A. Next measure, head on up, second finger, B. And the last measure, head on up, C, and a rest. So let's go ahead and try this. Grab your instruments. Remember, you can always write in some notes and fingers to help you. Great thing to do when we're learning new notes. You can always pluck as well first. Maybe pluck with me and then go back and rewind the video and bow with me. Your choice. Okay, starting on a third finger C on our G string. So our G string, just to review, third string over, G. Swing my elbow under my viola. Line up my fingers. 3 fingers, nice and curvy, nice low wrist. 1, 2, ready, C. B. Lift back to your frog, G. And that is number 97 in our Essential Elements book, Walking Around. Happy practicing.